What's our address? What's your address here, Leila?
Oh, it's 1238 17th East.
Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 1238 17th Avenue East. The date is Tuesday, April the 30th. What you're looking at here is the Seattle City sewer line flowing by. This is 95 feet out, give or take a few. This is a video I'm making after cabling and opening Leila's line here. So we initially showed up on site, the line was clogged. Now I've cabled it, it's open and flowing again, so we'll get a good video here. Biggest issue I noticed with the line, so we're in 6-inch concrete out in the middle of the street here, going back into 6-inch clay. Biggest issue I noticed, she's got some decent sized roots in the 4-inch line. So you'll see some smaller ones here in the 6-inch. They get a little bigger when you get in the 4-inch. We've talked about jetting, which might be the next option should this reoccur. So 4x6 right there at about 60 feet with a good sized root at it. So we're back in 4-inch clay now. See a good root ball there. Flat spot here. Little belly with a root mixed in. Another decent little one there. Little belly here at 44. Decent little root there at 40. Alright, we're coming back up into the house now, so there's outside, there's the cast iron, we're in the cast now. Should be popping up into ABS here any second. Right there, ABS plastic. And there's the clean out we worked from back behind the laundry machine. And that's it.